Welcome to whtsapp Tech guys. I am Saurabh and today I am talking about how to get WhatsApp payment feature in your device. Now before I am going to start, update your WhatsApp on the latest beta version, link in the description. Now here my two Android devices. This one is already get the feature and this one is not. Now we send invitation for getting WhatsApp payment on this device too. First of all, open the chat and send an invitation of WhatsApp payment on the other device. If you want an invitation, click on the description link below. Now the invitation is done, so we check it. Now set up it with your bank account and enjoy WhatsApp payment. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and do comment and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next one.